Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to talk about something that completely changed how I look at money and building wealth. Have you ever looked at really successful, wealthy people and thought, what do they know that I don't? Aren't they just smarter? Well, I'm here to tell you that's usually not the case. The real secret isn't about having a genius-level IQ, it's about something much simpler, patience. The wealthy aren't always smarter. They're just willing to wait longer. Let me explain this with an analogy that I love, planting a money tree. Think about it. When you decide to invest your money, whether it's in stocks, real estate, or your own business, you're essentially planting a seed. You've found some good soil, a promising opportunity, and you've put your seed, your initial capital, into the ground. Now, what happens next? Does a giant, fruit-bearing tree pop up overnight? Of course not. That only happens in fairy tales. In the real world, growth takes time. This is where so many people go wrong. We live in a world of instant gratification. We want 2-day shipping, instant downloads, and on-demand everything. We apply that same mindset to our investments and get frustrated when we don't see immediate results. A week goes by, maybe a month, and the seed is still just a seed under the soil. There's no visible sprout, no sign of life. So what do? We get anxious. We start to doubt ourselves. We think, did I plant it wrong? Is the soil bad? Maybe this was a stupid idea. And then we do the absolute worst thing you can do. We dig up the seed to check on it. In the investing world, this looks like constantly checking your portfolio, panicking at every small dip in the market, and selling off your assets out of fear or impatience. Every time you do that, you're yanking your little seedling out of the ground, disrupting its root system, and forcing it to start all over again. You can't grow a strong tree if you keep digging it up to see if the roots are growing. You just have to trust the process. This is where the real difference lies. Successful investors understand that they've planted a good seed in good soil. They've done their research. Now their job is to be patient. They water the seed, meaning they continue to add to their investments consistently over time. They make sure it gets sunlight, meaning they stay informed about the general market but don't panic over daily news. And most importantly, they leave it alone and let it grow. They know that compounding, the magical force that turns small sums into large fortunes, needs one crucial ingredient: time. It's the eighth wonder of the world, but it doesn't work in a week. This isn't about being lucky and picking the one stock that explodes overnight. That's not a strategy. That's playing the lottery. True, sustainable wealth is built through discipline. It's the discipline to keep planting, even when you can't see the results yet. It's the discipline to not dig up your seeds every time you feel a flicker of doubt. It's the discipline to trust your initial strategy and let time do its heavy lifting. It's about having the patience to wait for the harvest. Years down the line, you'll look back and you won't see a tiny seed. You'll see a strong, massive money tree, providing you with financial freedom and security, all because you had the wisdom to just let it grow. So the next time you feel that urge to check your portfolio for the 10th time today, or you were tempted to sell because of a scary headline, just remember the money tree. Be a patient gardener. Plant your seeds, nurture them, and trust the process. Your future self will thank you for it. Thanks so much for watching today. If this analogy resonated with you, hit that like button and subscribe for more content on building wealth with a long-term mindset. See you in the next video.